Hey friends, if you encounter the issue cannot change user account control settings on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable the antivirus software. Now, how would you disable the antivirus software? I'll guide you through it. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar. Open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Click on Manage Settings. Turn off real-time protection. Okay. The second solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, you need to sign in as an administrator to access the User Account Control page. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.